If you're a coach in the fitness, health, or wellness space, you're going to want to watch this video. I'm going to be showing you how to use a specific software from ABC Trainerize, aka Trainerize, which is a software specifically designed for people in the fitness, health, wellness, and nutrition space, so you can deliver your clients the value they need without you doing all the manual work. If you don't know, I'm Chris, and I have over 10 years of experience in the fitness, health, and wellness coaching space, as well as marketing, PR, and branding. So I combine the two to help fitness coaches really build and brand their business online. So before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you want more tips on how to effectively build your online fitness business. And with no further ado, let's talk about why you need automation in the first place. Number one, it just makes your business way more efficient. Not only will you be able to handle more clients, but it'll also help you remove the risk of letting things slip through the cracks. Think about it. If you have 100 people in your coaching program, are you going to truly be able to manage all of their workouts, nutrition, check-ins, messages? Probably not. Last but not least, automation just makes your life that much easier, because when you can delegate and even allow some software to take off some of the load for you, it just makes your job that much easier and makes your business processes that much more efficient. Now, if you don't have Trainerize already, I 10 out of 10 recommend getting it, because this is something that I recommend to every single coach that I work with to help them grow their business online. So see the link below so that you can get signed up if you're not already. And whether you are or you aren't, let's dive into the steps you can take to automate your fitness business. Okay, let's get you all set up on Trainerize. If you're already set up on Trainerize, great. This process will be super quick, so just hang tight. But if you don't have Trainerize, you're going to make sure that you select an option that works best for you, your business, your financial situation, and your clientele, and you will click whatever one that you need. Now, once you get your account set up, you're going to start to create your programs, and this is where we're going to start to create some automation. All right, so choose your plan, whatever works best for you, like I said, and then we're going to go ahead and start to get our program set up. The first thing you need to do is go over to your master libraries. You're going to hit programs. This is going to help you set up your product and your automation. You need to set up some form of program first to be able to attach a product to it. Okay, you do not need to build out the full program just to do this part. You just need to set up a frame so that you can have something to refer back to when you're setting up your products. All right, so once you get that set up and open, you're going to create a new program in your shared program folder. All right, so you're going to hit new, and then you're going to select build new. Once you have that, you're going to name it whatever your program is. We're going to set this up as if it's a challenge. So I'm going to say 30-day fit challenge. And then I'm going to do a phased program. I always recommend a phased program because it just helps your client feels like they're being coached through a process. But you do have the option to choose an on-demand workout library, which means once they sign up, they have access to all these workouts all at one time. That's totally up to you how you do it, but I recommend a phase training program. If we're setting this up like a challenge, we're going to go ahead and do one phase for 4 weeks, which is about 30 days. And I'm going to always choose automatically schedule progress photos and weigh-ins. That way, my program already has set scheduled check-ins. Now, depending on your program result, your end result that your client's looking for, you may not do check-ins, but if your client is reaching an aesthetic goal or a physique goal, then this could be good for that. All right. Once you have that set up, go ahead and hit save. Once you hit save, your program is good to go. The next step, you're going to create a group. This is going to also help you set your automation up. Head over to groups on the left-hand side in your dashboard, hit new, name your group, whatever you want to call it, choose an emoji to differentiate between different groups. You can control who posts in the group, whether it's your group members, you, everyone, and choose whether or not you want to allow clients to be able to send voice notes. All of that is totally up to you. But once you set all those settings up, hit add, and then you're going to go over to start setting up your automation for your program. Once you set that up, you're going to go down to payments so that you can set up your first product automation. If you already have products set up, great, but you want to make sure your automation is set up properly so you can do less work. So go to payments, select products, and then choose add product. Now, we're going to name it something similar to the program that we just created. So it could be 30-day fit challenge. All right. If you're running a challenge, it is wise to just have a one-time fee, and we're going to run it for 1 month. Now, you could be doing a 2-week challenge. You could be doing a 3-week challenge, whatever it is, set that up here. And then you want everyone to start your challenges on a fixed start date. So you choose that date for the challenge. Now, if you're setting this up as a regular program, you want to have both recurring options and pay in full options. So if you do that, let's say it's just the name of your program, and we're going to do pay in full. If it's a pay in full, which means they're paying for the full 3 months, 6 months, or however long, then you're going to do a one-time fee of the pay in full and however long you want that to be. All right, so program duration, let's say it's 12 months or however long it is, then you would set that up there. Now, if it's a payment plan option, we want to differentiate and just say payment plan, same program, except it's recurring. And we're going to do recurring, and let's say it's $350 a month, every month for however long. You can choose how long that lasts for. Let's say you have a 6-month program, you could do 6 months. Or if you just want it to be a recurring fee until they cancel, you're going to choose every month renews until it's canceled. All right, that's just for your program setup. For this example, we'll just stick with the 30-day challenge. And it's going to be a one-time fee of $49 for 1 month. And everybody starts on the same time. All right. Also, if you're doing your program, you want it to start the day of their current sign up. So if you close a client today, they can start their program today. All right. That'll just save you a lot of work and confusion. But example for the challenge, we're just going to keep it like this, set at a fixed start date. All right. So we're going to set up our automation, select client type, two-way messaging. That means the client can reach out to you and you can reach out to them. Assign a trainer. That's going to be you in most cases, unless you have a team that you assign to different people, depending on the program. Subscribe to the program that we just selected, which is the 30-day fit challenge. And then we're going to go ahead and go down to attach PDF meal plan. Here is where you can select, whatever you might want to send to that client so that they can get it right away. So for example, if you have a meal guide or maybe 12 weeks of meal guides or a welcome intro starter kit, whatever that is, put that here. This really helps to make sure that your client gets in and can hit the ground running. They don't have to wait on you. They're not like, hey, where's my meal plan? Hey, where's my instructions? They can get all that here. And then you're going to make sure you add them to the group that they are going to get into during the program. All right. So you set that up, you hit save. Okay. Hit save and your program is good to go. All right. That is your initial phase of setting up your program, setting up your challenge, or whatever that you decide to sell. You can set that here. You can also add an image or something that people can, know that that's your branding. So it's not just some blank random default image. Okay. I use Trainerize. I recommend it to all of my clients, and it really is just a great software. So check it out and stay tuned for more tips on how you can grow your business in the fitness, health, and wellness space online more efficiently. I'll see you in the next video.